Up. Away from the cables, thank you. Did I say you... Hey! Cat is becoming a problem. My cat actually ended up chewing through a cable that I need for my audio interface. And I had a deadline. It was like just the other day. I had a deadline for a company that I'm working with. And my cat chewed through the freaking cable! Like the day before the deadline was. And... oh, that is the worst feeling. It's literally having to go... it's having to go to people and say, my dog ate my homework type. Isn't that crazy? Please, leave the... What? Stop. See, the problem is now is when you have a cat and you go, no. They learn that that's how they get your attention. I'm holding it with my feet right now. Where do you think you're going, huh? Yeah? Stop. Stop this at once. Little termite. God, I'm paranoid. Okay. Ow! Okay, I think I have to go. My cat is... I'm being attacked! Got your ears! Ow! You are not allowed to jump up here. No. Ah! I knew you were gonna jump up here. Okay. Freaking cat, man. Okay. Okay. If I close my cat out of my streaming room, I'm pretty sure you could probably go back and listen. You could probably hear meow at the door.